I'm installing the plate number, the license plate of this MG5. Unfortunately though, the holes are not spot on, so I need to file here and also there. So I have a round file right here. I just need to enlarge or extend the hole right there. There's also a problem in the front because the holes are in the middle, so I also need to make holes there. Yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do. So what I did was I drilled a hole right there because the existing holes are here, and the persisting hole, the plate number is right over there. Though I have made a hole, I don't know if you can see it there. It's very thin. I don't know, it might not hold the plate very well, so what I'm gonna do is I'll put another washer on the other end there and use a nut to secure it. And there should also be a lock washer so that the thread, the nut would not rotate even if there's vibration. And the trouble is it's a bit down there. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, so what I had to do actually is to remove the cover. I have to remove that and to loosen this a bit so that I could insert my hand through here. It's a bit of a challenge, but I should be able to do it. To add, guys, the size of this bolt is 6 mm. So I drilled a 5 mm hole so that I can actually make a thread. So to thread it, you just have to push it like that. And I'm using an Allen wrench. Alright. So for the rear plate holder, just a matter of so this is a washer, as you can see there, and the bolt goes like that. Yeah, so it's just a matter of inserting that, and there's already a thread there, 6 mm in size, and this fits perfectly. So you just need an Allen wrench to do that. So nothing really difficult there. And for the front, it's the same thing, except that as mentioned earlier, you need to put a washers and a nut on the other side to secure it. So there you go. I have already placed both plate numbers for the front and the rear. So hope this has been helpful. And maybe to sum up, for the front, either you drill a hole somewhere there, actually 2 holes for both sides, or drill a hole in the license plate itself, or you drill a hole in the bracket right there in the car. So I opted for the latter. So yeah, it's still prone to stealing because they just need an Allen wrench like this one to to loosen it, but at least it's not that easy to remove because there's a lock on the other side. So hopefully this helps you guys on how to install the license plate of an MG5. And we need to return the screws, so 4 of this, 1 2 3 4. Now that they are secured, you need to put the other cover, this one, and it's simply slides in there. Sorry. So yep, and they will be secured by, yep, do same thing for the rest, like that. And so I have 4 and do the others. Just a tip, guys, to how to remove this. You need 2 screwdrivers. One is to lift this up, and then the other is to rotate it. So while you're lifting that up, you rotate it counterclockwise. Yeah. All right. So let me finish the rest.